Hi, I'm Eric, and I want to take you through what it's like to create a new project in IBM UrbanCode Build. So the big idea in Build is that you do everything from a template, right? I've got one template in here, a very simple Maven build, right? That ends up just, getting a build number, pulling down the files, doing a Maven build. And it's going to go ahead and take, some properties like a Maven goal that we'll set later, and then capture a bunch of JUnit results, Cobertura, etc. Looking in the normal places for that for Maven. So the idea is very much about being template first, and then it should be really easy to set up a project. So what I want to do as an example is I've got a bunch of Apache Maven projects, and I'm just going to go out to Apache on GitHub and find something to build. So we'll come out here, and I'm just going to do a quick refresh. And what do we got? Incubator, Ranger, Argis thing. That's a Java project. Let's do that. I think Hive is big. Let's try this incubator thing. Yeah, that might be big too. But we'll take a look. Is there a POM file? There's a POM file, right? So there's a pom.xml. We're on version 0.5 of this thing. This looks promising. Let's go for it. So when we come back into UrbanCode Build, I'm going to say I want to create a project. It's going to say, well, from what template? If I had lots, I'd get a drop down. I'd pick one. Then what did we call Incubator Ranger? Incubator Ranger. I'm going to say, okay, the major version here was 0.5.0, and we're going to guess a package is the thing we want to do. All right. So we'll add the Maven build process to this. I'll say, yep, what source code do we need to get? Say, well, we're pulling from GitHub. It needs to know the URL. It's going to be that. Save that. And we're done. So we got incubator, Maven build. Press the build button. It's created a build for us, and we're off and running here, a minute later. So it's picked up a build number. So it just appended a random build life ID at the end of the 0.5.0. We're pulling, it's pulling down the source files. That's running. Then go off and do the work. So after a little bit, we're off and building with Maven. We're doing the normal Maven thing of downloading the internet. That's basically the idea. A central team sets up some really easy to use templates, and a senior developer can come in and say, yeah, I've got a new project. The source code's here. Let's go. And be up and running really quickly using the rules set up by Central IT. So thanks for listening. Hope this was informative.